Hey guys, what's up? So I just moved into a new house recently, and with the new house comes with a new room for me to decorate and move into. So I thought I would do a room tour of my new room. It's finished, it's fully decorated. I am obsessed with how this turned out. I really wanted this room to be super like stylized and have like a clear aesthetic, I guess you could say. My room not only is where I spend most of my time, it's also kind of like my set and like studio in a way for my videos, so I really wanted it to look good. I had so much fun putting together my room with my friend Liz, who you guys probably know from like vlogs and stuff. If I had to describe my room style, it definitely would be vintage glam. If you literally just search up like vintage Parisian apartment, like that is literally what my Pinterest board was. Like I love like the Parisian like decor style. I feel like it's just so elegant and nice and classic, and that's definitely what I incorporated into my room. I literally could sit here all day talking about my room and the style and like what and the thinking behind the design process, but you guys don't want to hear that. You guys don't care. You just want to see my room. So let's just get into the room tour. So as soon as you walk into my room from my door, you have my desk slash vanity area. This is where I get ready every morning and kind of have like my makeup station set up, and where I occasionally do my homework when I'm not doing it sitting on my bed. I found this mirror actually at a thrift store and like kind of upcycled it and spray painted it gold to kind of match my room. I pretty much got most of my main decor pieces at the thrift store, which made this room super affordable and sustainable to decorate. This is where my laptop lives when I'm not on my bed watching Netflix or editing. I just have this really pretty vase of fake flowers, the mirror, obviously, that I talked about, another smaller makeup mirror. I have my makeup brushes and a lamp. The desk itself is from IKEA, so it's like nothing special. It's just a basic white desk. And then this stool is actually from Urban Outfitters, and it completes this whole area perfectly, and I'm really happy with how this corner turned out. I absolutely love it. So next to my desk, vanity, whatever you want to call it, I have my closet. Nothing special, it's just where I keep my clothes. I don't know what else to say about that. So on the other side of my closet, I have this little bit of wall space. This is kind of just where all my accessories live. I actually found these two sconces at the thrift store as well and kind of upcycled them, spray painted them, made them look a little bit better and fresher, and I just hang my necklaces on here. And then directly under that, I have this stand from Home Goods that I actually put this gold and marble tray on top of. This is where my iHome lives and where like my phone charges, as well as where I keep my rings and earrings. And then right next to where I keep all my jewelry and stuff, I have this beautiful huge window. Natural light and windows was definitely a big factor into why I wanted this room. And then to highlight how big the windows are and to kind of frame them a little bit, I added these fake flower garlands that I got off of Amazon. So directly next to my window, I have this gold standing mirror that I just have in the corner. I really wanted a full-length mirror with a nice pretty gold frame to go in my room. I feel like a full-length mirror just opens up a room and makes it feel a lot bigger. Off of the corner my mirror is, I have my vintage magazine cover collage wall, and this is definitely like the main like focal point of the room. Collage walls are very in right now, and this was like kind of my own take and spin on it. This is where my bed is. I just have it in the corner of the room. I got this comforter off of Pottery Barn, and these accent pillows I actually got from H&M Home, which is like really underrated. And then above my bed, I just have this poster that I got off of Society 6 that I am obsessed with. This frame goes perfectly with it, and I found it at the thrift store, and it just looks so nice. I'm obsessed with this. And then I have another tall window. This one's a little bit smaller than the other one, and I just did the same thing, hanging the flower garland around it. And then next to my bed, I of course have my nightstand. I like to keep this very clean and minimal because I feel like spaces like this can get super cluttered super easily, but I just have like a few nice style elements. And then next to my nightstand you have my door, and we end up exactly where I started this video. So there you guys go, that is my new room. I'm so excited to start filming videos here. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely subscribe because I post new videos every Saturday. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't already, since I post new videos every single Saturday. So stay tuned and subscribe for those, and I will see you guys next week with another video.